Talk about the fall weather forecast because, Stacey, it was gorgeous outside again today. Oh, my goodness.
And afternoon highs have hovered right around 80 degrees all weekend, and that's just pretty much perfect for everything you want to do outside. We have some cloud cover that moved in for this afternoon, and we're seeing that now from our city park camera. And this is what it looks like up at Longs Peak in Rocky Mountain National Park. And we've seen some little raindrops on the camera there as we see some scattered showers move through. We've had a few isolated showers up in the high country. Temperatures in the 60s and 70s for the mountains today, and mostly 70s and 80s here for the eastern plains. A little warmer out toward Ray and Lamar, closer to 90 degrees this afternoon. Now for our weather planner, it'll be a mild start to the week. Temperatures close to 80 degrees once again. We'll see a few more mountain showers, and we're not quite out of the woods for a slight chance for rain here for the Denver metro, and temperatures will be above average as we go through our 7-day forecast. But today, temperatures around 80 degrees, 92 degrees, our record set in 2010. On average, we should be around 74 for our afternoon high. We're at 76 right now at the airport and downtown with winds about 9 miles an hour. And we have a low pressure area down to our southwest, very slow moving, but it's ushering some of that southwestern moisture up into western Colorado. Now, we've had this big high in control for a few days, so it's kept us nice and dry and warm and kept that fall weather in place. Now, we do have those showers here for the western part of the state, so we're keeping an eye on them. Nothing severe. It just looks like some nice shower activity into the afternoon. We have a few spotty showers here out toward Evergreen and out toward Bennett as well, so we're watching that. But it looks like overall a pretty dry forecast for the eastern plains, and we'll continue for a few more hours with some wet weather off to the west. Our severe weather outlook tonight, this is where we have a chance for those general thunderstorms mostly across the western portion of the state. So tonight in Denver, we'll have temperatures in the 70s through 7 o'clock, 60s all the way toward midnight, and we'll have overnight lows in the 50s tonight with partly cloudy skies. So a nice evening for us if you're out and about. Temperatures will be in the 40s and 50s here for the plains, 40s down through southwestern Colorado. And our commute planner tomorrow morning will start out with temperatures in the 50s all the way through 8 a.m., 63 at 9 a.m., and 71 degrees as we get toward lunchtime. It'll be partly cloudy for much of the morning, and into the afternoon we'll see showers develop here just off to the west into the foothills and down toward Colorado Springs. We'll have highs near 80 degrees, but we'll see some of those showers push our direction around 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Then it clears on out. So we do have just about a 20% chance of showers tomorrow. 78 will be our high, and we'll have those temperatures in the 70s for northeastern Colorado. A few 80s here from Greeley to Sterling. We'll also have 50s and 60s for the high country, and 70s toward Highlands Ranch into Castle Rock and Parker, and 70s into Longmont and Loveland. So for Monday Night Football, we have that slight chance for scattered showers here about 6 p.m., but they'll be quick moving. We'll have temperatures in the 60s for the rest of the game, so maybe take a light jacket with you just in case, but otherwise looks pretty dry here for the rest of the week. Temperatures in the low to mid 80s. Cold front coming for next weekend with highs dropping into the upper 60s.